since you have the timing for each frame of animation stored in add element delay, you can use that value with set timeout function to set up the delay to add elements to the DOM, which is document object model, I think. I forgot. Yes, we are right. Says here within the body of for each. Okay, here. It's already been highlighted. It says here within the body for each method's callback function, the set timeout function. We call out set timeout function. Pass in an empty callback function as the first argument. Empty callback function as the first argument. And what? Wait, I am very confused. Within the body, add a set function. Okay, that's a function. Oh, so there is a callback function. Again, we do that by this one. Pass in empty. This will be our first argument, and the second argument will be obj dot add delay. Don't forget semicolon.